Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to talk about retirement plan. You need exactly retirement plan, right? All right. If you employ right now, you have 401k employer sponsored retirement plan. Then you have maybe a pension, fixed monthly benefit. Even you have life insurance, health insurance, dental insurance. Yeah, exactly. Today I'm going to talk about you guys, self-employed. So you don't have a 401k, pension, life insurance, health insurance, maybe dental insurance. Okay, that's the reason self-employed. You had to start right now. Today, your retirement plan. So I'm 40 years old right now. So I'm going to start retirement plan. And in 15 years, age my 60, I get that retirement plan. So I talked to a great company, Charles Schwab. They show me that's a plan, self-employed retirement plan for Roth IRA. So you need a social security number, driver license statement information, cash would like transfer beneficiary for your spouse. You can contribute 7,000 for tax year 2024. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to set up employment retirement plan Roth IRA. Alright guys, right now I'm in Charles Schwab website, Roth IRA. You can see that. What is Roth IRA? Roth IRA is an individual retirement account to which you contribute after tax dollar. While they are current year tax benefit, you contribute earning can grow tax free and you can withdraw them tax free and penalty free after age 59.5, almost 60 years. And once account has been open 5 years. To open Roth IRA, not a traditional IRA. That's the benefits from if you start a Roth IRA, no mandatory withdrawal unlike a traditional IRA. There's no need to take a required minimum distribution with the Roth IRA. Okay, what benefits do Roth IRA provide for your retirement? No contribution age, free contribution and potential investment gain accumulate tax-free. Qualified tax-free withdrawal, no mandatory withdrawal unlike Roth IRA, no income taxes for inherit Roth IRA. Okay, you can start $1, just $1 start your Roth IRA and maximum you can contribute per year $7,000. Then you buy stock, you can invest for money market and you can get the benefits after 60 years. So exactly like a Roth IRA, when you work somewhere, you have 401k, the retirement plan. Then same like that, you can use a Roth IRA, your retirement plan after 60 years. Okay, I'm going to step by step start up. Then you can open account, Roth IRA. If you have already Charles Schwab account, you can go ahead and open Roth IRA. Otherwise, you have to open account for sign up for Charles Schwab. Then you're good to start your Roth IRA. Alright guys, I'm going to setting up the Roth IRA, not the traditional IRA. It's going to be account 10 minutes. You can set up within 10 minutes. Okay, Roth IRA. Okay, let's open your Roth IRA. You can read what you can do with the Roth IRA. What are the cost of opening Roth IRA? Okay, what do you need to open Roth IRA? I have an offer referral code. If you want, you can enter your referral code, but I'm going to skip this one. Then going to continue. Alright, next step, who would you like to inherit your IRA assist? Make sure that after you pass away, anything happen to you, you pass away, a beneficiary going to your spouse or your child, your IRA assist to go people, organizations that you have chosen. Okay, you can add up to 10 beneficiaries. You can always make a change later. You can click over here and go to see how it works. You can read it. How beneficiaries work. Okay, add primary beneficiary, you can click and you can add person. Okay, everything done, you can continue. Alright guys, next page going to be like that. They ask everyone the question. So mostly people they put no. You select no, then continue. Alright, next page going to be like that. You getting like the papers, documents. But personally, I don't like papers. I don't have time to read that all the papers they're sending every week. That's why I like paperless. You can click paperless and continue. Okay, next page going to be like that. They asking, would you like to add these trading future limited margin? With the limited margin in your IRA, you can trade using unsettled fund, no interest fees are charged because you may not sell short borrow funds. Carry debit balancing using the limited margin future. I don't like it, the risk. We can read right here. Then I put no. Would you like to add the limited margin? It's up to you. You can put yes or you can put no. Then I select no Option trading, you may request approval trade option. Your option trading application will be reviewed based on your trading experience, financial profile, and other criteria. Option carrier high risk level. Then you have read carefully and you can put yes or no. Then I put no. Would you like to add option trading? No. Okay, tradingschwab.com mobile app automatically included with the brokerage accounts. You like to enable to account for trading? Okay, I select no. Then continue. Alright guys, final part, we getting successful that apply. You are almost done. We can start or review your application. They review your application after you agree to our terms and their terms and condition. Okay, you can read it. Agreement to use electronic record for signature. Electronic record signature to open my account. Okay, by checking this checkbox, I acknowledge and agree to proceedings statement regarding the use for electronic record and signature. You can click it. By checking this box, acknowledge, agree to think that you can read it and click. Okay, Charles Schwab brokerage account agreement disclose and terms. Schwab cash future program, internal revenue, agree terms and contract. So you can click this one. Scroll down that by checking again that you can read it. Internal revenue services agree term of the contract. Okay, have you been notified by IRS that you are subject to backup withholding? Okay, you can read this part. Generally, backup withholding is not required. Backup withholding applies to client who fail to clarify their withholding status. Okay, you can click this on no. Generally, backup withholding is not required. Check in this one and check this one and continue. Okay, after you provide all request details with your application is processing and review. When they approve your application, you will get a brand new Roth IRA account number. Go ahead and write down your number, keep in safe place. They review your application and they send in the page, congratulations, your application approved. Then you can write down your account number. Next steps, then we have to add your funds, your Roth IRA account. Next step, add funds to your new Schwab account, Roth IRA, and start investing. Add funds. So you can click this button and add your funds. Alright guys, that's the way how to set up a brand new Roth IRA account. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.